oftentimes the best part of the journey is the driving day. It may not be the destination, the campground. It's just a campground to rest up after your beautiful scenic travel day.
From the excitement of adventuring and the impossible beauty of the scenery to one-of-a-kind experiences in all shapes and sizes, there is much to discover and much to experience on any RV tour. Yet what truly makes this type of caravan tour such a meaningful experience for so many is something that you will hold on to long after the final days of your trip have come to an end. Something you will carry with you into your future adventures, both near and far.
I think the most important and the thing is the friendships that we've made. We have people that before this tour started were total strangers, and they're inviting us to come visit all over the country, and it's just so wonderful. We formed such a wonderful bond with so many people.
I would say, in all certainty, we've met a couple of other couples that will for sure be lifelong friends. You know, we don't live anywhere near one another, but we've already talked about they're going to go down to Florida, and we're in South Carolina, so they'll come back up through, and that's just a cool experience, you know.
When we travel by ourselves, it's fun, and we enjoy it, but it's more fun to travel with others.
It is. Yeah, I think these are lasting relationships.
RVers tell us at the end of their tour that one of the things they like the most is sitting around at night talking with their friends about what they did that day, whether it was fishing or golfing or whatever they did that day, and perhaps having a barbecue all together and having a campfire, telling the stories, having sing-alongs, and just sharing those moments that are so special during this time of bonding.
We didn't know any of you, but you were names in RV Village, and you have now become family. Thank you.